first design idea is going to be a minimal look, negative edge base in white with dirty pour ribbons. This is when I'm pouring the different colors in a cup. It's called a dirty pour, but it's only with 2 colors. Second design has a yellow negative edge, and I'm using white and gray as the detail. This technique is called a Dutch pour, where you use a blow dryer to move the paint across the canvas. For the third design, I blended 2 grays together to the base. I did not record because the blending takes quite a long time. I also did a dirty pour ribbon for this design. And this is how I work out the design ideas for custom work.